How to pay with Klarna on eBay. Follow my instructions. Klarna lets you split your eBay purchases into smaller, manageable payments. It's a great option if you want to buy now and pay later without big upfront costs. Here's how to use Klarna when shopping on eBay. First, go to ebay.com or open the eBay app. Search for the product you want and add it to your cart. Click Go to Checkout to proceed. In the payment section, choose Klarna as your payment method. Select your preferred payment plan, like Pay in 4 or Pay in 30 days. Click Continue to move forward. Log into your Klarna account or create one if you're a new user. Review your payment schedule and terms. Confirm the order to complete your purchase. Your item will be shipped as normal. Then, simply make your installment payments to Klarna on time to avoid fees. That's how to use Klarna on eBay. Thanks for watching.